Hello dear hiking and backpacking friends, I'm Hendrik and in this video I am unboxing a Garage Grown Gear seasonal gift box. Let's dive right in. So Garage Grown Gear makes several seasonal gift boxes a year and they're full with ultralight gear, which is obviously right up my alley. And I have no idea what's in here, so let's see. Alright, first off we have a sticker of Garage Grown Gear, some tips how to go ultralight, more stickers, always good. Then over here we have a 450 milliliter Fargo titanium travel mug, that's quite nice. And we have here from Backpackers Bistro an espresso porridge, which sounds really tasty. We got Action wipes, which is probably for cleaning up. This sounds something like that I could use also if I'm out with the kids. And some Kuyu coffee, also sounds good. From Lawson Equipment there is a bear toggle included. No idea what I need that for because we don't have bears here, but I will look it up. This looks tasty. A Super Jams bar. Food is always welcome in my opinion. Here we got something from 6 Moons Design. Let's see what that is. Probably some kind of, yeah, it looks like a packing cube for your gear. That's useful. Then we have here a morsel spork, so one more spork for my spork collection. And here we have an Ultralight Wallet from Hobak. And here we have a little light as fuck Cuban bag. An instant premium tea. A small container for sunscreen or stuff like that. Here we have a very tiny knife. Tiny knives are always good. Another small container. Where did I throw that? There. A truly ultralight toothbrush, but I do feel you could still cut this off and save even a little bit more. This is pretty exciting, a Nock Vector water container. I've been a big fan of Nock and these water containers are supposed to be really good because you can easily clean them and open them. Okay, this is probably some Polycro ground sheet and this is probably an ultralight pillow. So and here's everything that was inside. So that was the content of the Garage Grown Gear seasonal gift box. I don't think that I will be using everything in here, and I do think that the stuff I won't be using will go into the start of an ultralight bounce box, you could say. So I will put stuff I don't use in there but that still have a lot of life in them, and then I will send it to the first person on the list and they can take something out and put something back in and send it to the next person. If you think that's a good idea, then comment underneath. I do think that for logistical purposes I will keep it to Northern Europe or Europe in that sense, because otherwise postage fees are getting ridiculously expensive. I most definitely will be trying out all the foods as long as they are vegetarian, and yeah, I think a couple of the other things also definitely will get tried out, and yeah, then we'll see if I like them or not. But I do think that this is quite a nice way to receive gear full of surprises, and you don't know, is it something you want or need or not, and then you can try stuff out that you maybe wouldn't usually try. So in that sense, I think that's quite nice. So yeah, let's see what out of this seasonal gift box makes it into my used all the time kind of ultralight kit. In any case, I will leave a link to these seasonal boxes in the description, so when the next one comes along, you can also grab one for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then leave a thumbs up, as it really makes a difference. And if you're not a subscriber yet, maybe hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it to follow along for more ultralight backpacking and nerd stuff over here. As always, thanks for watching, and remember, it's always more to go outside.